Hey there, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to identify and delete unused WordPress tags and categories using simple database query. So, sometimes when your WordPress blog increases with posts and categories, you might need to delete few categories and tags. For example, I have this local WordPress setup. I have few posts as well as categories and tags. So there are few categories, around 16 categories I have. As you can see, I have few categories with zero post associated with that category, and I don't want these categories to be there in database. Similarly, you can see I have few tags which are not associated with any post. So time being, these posts and categories are there in database, and you should delete it to make your WordPress database clean. Obviously, you can delete it manually, like go here in the tags, delete it manually one by one. But let's say you have more than 100 unused tags and categories, it is not good idea to delete it manually. So how you can do that? You can create or you can write down simple SQL query, and you can delete those unused tags and categories. For that, you have to go to your PHP and go to WP terms. Here in WP underscore terms table, all these values for categories and tags are being stored. So it is taking. So now you can see I have few category names and slug with this WP terms table. Another table we need is WP underscore term underscore taxonomy. Here you can see I have taxonomy type, that is category, and post underscore tag and count. So this count is showing the number of posts associated with this category or post underscore tag. So what we can do, we can create a simple query, a select query. First of all, select star from WP underscore terms. We are joining two tables. So inner join, we are going to join WP underscore term underscore taxonomy on which field, WP underscore terms dot term ID is equal to WP underscore term underscore taxonomy dot term ID. Now this is select query, and let's see, it is returning 80 total, 80 records, and you can see I have this all records together. So here what we can do, we can pass one where condition where WP term taxonomy dot taxonomy is equal to category. First of all, we will filter by category. So now only category values are there, and there are around 16 records. So here in categories, you see we have 16 records, right? But this query is returning all categories. I want to find which categories with count number 0. So where, and again WP term taxonomy dot count is equal to 0. This will return all categories with no posts associated. So you can see I have 4 categories. Let me click on 0. So you see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 categories with no post associated, right? So using this simple select query, you can find these records. Now what you can do, you can delete this, delete WP terms comma WP terms taxonomy. So using inner join and delete query together, we can run this query and see 8 rows affected, right? So now there are 18, and you can see now we have 12. So 4 records got deleted. Similarly, let's go to tags. Let me add it in line. We should have few tags here with 0 count. Instead of this taxonomy value as category, you need to pass post underscore tag. Okay, so let me click on go. It has deleted 34 records. So it is deleting from both the tables, WP underscore terms and WP term taxonomy, right? Let me reload, and now you can see we have all these tags with count is equal to 0 got deleted from the database. Now we don't have any category or post with 0 count. So now we have our database clean with respect to category and tags. So this is regarding post type is equal to post. Let's say you are working with custom post type. In that case, you have to pass WP. You might need to pass post tag, custom post taxonomy as well. So you need to make sure that you are selecting correct values from the database. All right. So this was the quick overview how you can delete and how can you identify and delete unused WordPress tags and categories using database queries. All right. I hope you learned something new today. If you are new to my channel, there are more than 300 videos uploaded. Most of the videos are on CSS, HTML, JavaScript, WordPress, as well as few videos are on Node.js. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time around.